Hello, I am here with Martin Sommer from the KIT University. Hello. I would like to know about your academic journey. What inspired you to choose this topic for your research work?
So my topic is about electronic architectures in the automotive industry, and the idea was I came to the topic, actually it was a completely different topic than I did in my master's thesis. Then I joined university and I somehow found it very interesting. The whole topic was our institute is very much focused on the automotive industry, and so I kind of got into it, and I found it more and more interesting the time I got more and more into it. So it's basically just going deeper and deeper into it, made it more and more interesting, I think.
Can you explain the main idea of your research in simple terms?
Yeah, so the main idea is to have functions like control or regulation functions that are currently deployed within a car or just a vehicle like an electric city bus, to have them deployed in the cloud, so you can have some functions that are currently very cost intensive in the car, to have them somewhere else where you can do something like control functions, like you can go what we call control over the end, close a control loop via the cloud or the edge. Mm-hmm. That's the idea.
What was the most surprising finding in your study?
Well, what we did, we presented our ideas to some OEMs like Daimler, buses, and the companies that we have in Germany. And they said, oh, this could be very interesting, because right now what we are doing is we are buying control units from many different companies, and we just plug them into our car, and that's really expensive. So it would be very nice maybe to have some functions in our own cloud or edge or some backend, and have the functions there, and we have the whole control over the functions. We know what they are doing, and we can actually save a lot of money because we don't have to buy so many control
mm-hmm.
units from different suppliers.
Mm-hmm.
So that was interesting.
Cool. And what challenges did you face when conducting your research?
The challenges or the chances?
Challenges.
The challenges, I guess it was hard to figure out which functions could be useful for such a use case, because in automotive industry you have so many requirements on the functions, like safety requirements, which it's very important in the car. So that was kind of hard to figure out which functions could be actually used to offload them somewhere else.
Got it. Well, and you do research in the automotive segment or a field. What are some real-world applications of your research work?
So what we want to do, or what could be done, is to have an actual HVAC function that is not like an HVAC control that is not deployed in the car, but rather in the cloud. So in an electric city bus currently has a huge energy consumption for the HVAC function. It could be 30 or 40% for an electric city bus. So maybe we can deploy an intelligent controller of that function in the cloud that is able to actually save a whole lot of money for the electric city bus, and extend the range of the electric city bus.
Mm-hmm. Exciting. And what are the next steps for your research?
The next steps would be to actually have this function, like the HVAC control function, on our own testbed at our institute, and show that it really works, that we can actually save a whole lot of money, a whole lot of energy, and with the HVAC function, and maybe actually show that we can extend the range of the electric city bus by relocating the software component to another execution location.
Fantastic. Let's talk about the conference. How was your experience with the conference so far?
So right now it was really nice, and the location is beautiful. London is very nice, so I really enjoyed it.
Perfect. Martin, thank you so much.
Thank you.